Let's see this question based on formation of differential equations. The question was asked in the CBSE examination, year was 2007. The question says find the differential equation representing family of curves y is equal to a cos x plus b, where a and b are constants. Now, how many constants into picture? Two constants, a and b. If two constants are there, definitely we will get a differential equation of the second order. So, very easy to do. If you want to get differential equation of the second order, you have to differentiate it how many times? 2 times, because first time you will get dy by dx, second time you will get d2y by dx square. So, that is how you have to go about this question. First read the question carefully and see how many constants are there. According to that, you have to know how much order differential equation you are going to get later on. And for that, how many times you have to differentiate, that gives you the answer. So, let's write solution. The question was asked in the CBSE examination 2007, an important question. Question is giving me the equation y is equal to a cos x plus b. Now, let's differentiate it one time. It is dy by dx is equal to a, cos differentiation is minus sine and inside does not change. So, it is minus a sine x plus b. But once we differentiate it is not enough. Second time also you have to differentiate, and that is the final time differentiation, minus a as it is being a constant, sine differentiation cos x plus b. Now, if the question is your equation number 1, what is equation number 2 with respect to 1? Equation number 2 has minus a cos x plus b. Here you had only a cos x plus b. Difference is only of minus sign. So, that means if you can put 1 in 2. So, what do you get? d2y by dx square is as it is, which is equal to minus sign, and this a cos x plus b is y. So, what is your differential equation finally now? Your differential equation is d2y by dx square, and here this minus y goes to the other side, becomes plus y is equal to 0. So, in the last line you will write d2y upon dx square plus y is equal to 0 is the differential equation representing a family of curves.